What is up, you guys? In today's video, I want to talk to you guys about trademarks and how you can get your brand or logo trademarked. So trademarks is a great way for brand protection, especially if you're starting a brand, a business, you're trying to trademark a name, a slogan, anything like that is something that you can trademark. So just to give you guys a little bit of transparency, that a trademark is more like a logo, a brand name, like a slogan, like just terms that you can trademark. A copyright is something like a piece of artwork that you're trying to copyright, just to make sure that you're trying to get a trademark rather than a copyright or anything like that. So I personally sell full time on Amazon, and this is how I need brand protection because there's a lot of counterfeit items on Amazon, or like people trying to steal other people's brands and things like that. So you always have to make sure your brand is trademarked. And I'm gonna show you guys the cheapest and fastest way that I have found on the internet. And by far, this is like the cheapest method I've seen. And you can actually spend like $2,000 to $3,000 if you do it like locally with an attorney. And then you might have a bunch of hiccups, and you also have to do the application fee and all that stuff. So it does get really pricey. But I found a way how to do it online that's been the cheapest route that I've seen online thus far. And you always want to make sure you do it professionally. This is why I'm going to recommend you this, because if you do this wrong, the whole process takes like 6 months. So 6 months to get either approved or denied. So you don't want to do this yourself at all, because even if you get declined, you're still not going to get your money back for the application fee, which is like $300. So you want to do it professionally, and you want to do it one time and make sure it's done right and that you're going to get approved. So I'm going to show you guys on the computer right now exactly what I do and what you should do as well. So this is Fiverr, and this is like a place where you can find a bunch of freelance workers all over the internet. And this is an attorney that only charges $45 for a trademark research, and $45 as well to do the application for you. So I always do both. I do the trademark research first, and that takes around like 4 to 5 days to get completed. He does his due diligence, making sure if your brand name or logo could get trademarked, and he'll give you like your competitors and things that you might have like some conflicts with, or some, make sure you get approved, right? He'll give you the honest answer, and he'll give you a big paper telling you exactly what his thoughts are and what you should do next. And then after you get that, then you apply for the trademark. If all looks good, you apply for the trademark, which is another $45 that he charges. Also, by the way, I'm going to have this guy's link in the description down below, in the pinned comments, as well as in the description, so you guys can go ahead and do this as well. And yeah, the $45 for research, and then $45 to apply for the trademark. So there's trademarks for so many categories out there. So when it comes to trademarks, you can get your brand trademarked, and there's a bunch of categories, like I said. So automotive or beauty or anything like that. So it does get really tricky. I recommend you to get somebody professional like this. Honestly, the fastest and easiest way to get a trademark. So let me show you guys here really quick here. So this is the website, right? Fiverr, this is the person I've used. I actually have 3 trademarks currently active by using this person. So you can see here the standard trademark search for $45, do a due diligence, and delivery time within 5 days. Sometimes it's a little bit sooner. And then the premium, which offers trademark search and a draft to submit the trademark application for you. So the trademark application that he submits for you is basically, he sends you a video on YouTube, private video for you. And he gives you a file, and he tells you to do exact steps. Literally takes like 1 or 2 minutes to do. Really fast, really easy. The easiest and fastest way that you can guarantee to get a trademark. And like I said, the process to get either approved or denied is 6 months. So please make sure like you get somebody professional to do it. Do not do it yourself. I'm telling you, I work full time online. I sell on Amazon. I've worked so many online businesses, and it was extremely confusing for me. And I knew I was going to probably mess up throughout the whole process doing it myself. So I hired somebody, and the first attorney that I found who was trying to charge me like 1,500 to do it, just to do the very basic that this guy does for you. And it's $45, like I said, trademark, and then $45 to apply it. Honestly, the best thing that I found to do your trademark, if you have any questions, comments, or anything like that, leave them in the comments down below. Also, some people may ask, like, I'm scared to give this guy my logo information. What if he steals it? Honestly, this guy has 7,000 orders, 5-star reviews, over 3,000 reviews. Like, your logo, your business is honestly not that important to like somebody that does this as a profession. Let's be honest. Like, I've had that in my previous YouTube videos that people are like, oh, what if he steals my logo? What if, honestly, nobody really cares about your brand except you, especially if you're starting up. Nobody's going to try to sabotage you unless like you're maybe a multi-million-dollar business or something like that. You don't have a target on your back whatsoever. So I recommend this. If you have any questions, comments, like I said, leave them in comments down below. Also, like this video, subscribe if you're new to this channel. It's all about making money, selling on Amazon, doing things like this. So yeah, that's about it. See you guys in the next one. Peace.